Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Application Phase and Organization Learning, which comes under the fourth module of Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss knowledge transfer. Knowledge transfer is a culture-based process. It is informal and invisible. Formal knowledge transfer is a basic process by which documents, data, or other types of knowledge resources are captured and stored in formats in the media that allows retrieval when needed. Knowledge transfer realistically is the transfer of knowledge from one brain to another. Transfer does not mean that knowledge has to be in exactly the same structure at both ends, that of the sender and the receiver. The use of the word transfer implies that the knowledge is physically transferred through the distribution process from one person to another, like exchanging of visiting card. Next is knowledge transfer in organization. Knowledge transfer is always a challenge for the organizations for various reasons: technical, managerial, and behavioral. Its importance, in spite of difficult challenges, is now being realized by the organization. First, ready access to knowledge, which now forms a substantial percentage of total assets, is a competitive necessity. Second, organizations have moved away from hierarchical methods of control towards more decentralized and collaborative knowledge-driven network organizational structures. This has resulted in more demand for knowledge transfer to share and use for improving performance. Finally, advances in information and communication technology have created new means of knowledge transfer. Lotus nodes, internet, and intranets hold the potential for increased diffusion of knowledge through transfer mechanisms. Explicit or tacit knowledge can be transferred to share, expand, and enrich. Transfer of tacit knowledge is through first one, internal consultants made available as and when required to all. Second one, personal transfer to the needy location. Third one, online on-the-job training at workplace. Fourth one, conferencing, brainstorming in group activity. Fifth one, demonstrating at workplace. Transfer of explicit knowledge is through first one, forming rules, procedures, and directions tested, documented, and made accessible. Second one, conducting seminars, workshops, and presentations to interest groups, corps. Third one, preparing manuals, templates for e-learning and posting them on organization portal. Fourth one, constructing models, diagrams, drawings, images on databases. Knowledge transferring is the process of moving knowledge to needy locations, individuals, groups, teams, and inter-organizational units and intra-organizations. Intra- and inter-organizational knowledge transfers are essentially communication processes. The knowledge transfer methodology is decided by the character of the knowledge. If it is tacit, then socialization supported by multimedia technology is the best choice. If knowledge is explicit and coded, knowledge transfer would be best achieved through network, groupware, database technology, and web and internet platforms. Next is practical problem of transferring knowledge. Knowledge transfer involves a practical problem of transferring knowledge from one part of the organization to another. Knowledge transfer seeks to organize, distribute, and ensure its availability for current and future uses. It is considered to be more than just a communication problem. It is also just not a knowledge network problem of management. Knowledge transfer is more complex because, first one, knowledge resides in organizational members, tools, tasks, and their sub-networks. Second one, much of the knowledge in the organization is tacit or hard to articulate to make it easily transferable. In this lecture, we have discussed knowledge transfer. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.